Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Here is a 12-inch MDF base in which I found the center, drew a lot of circles and created grids too. The angles are marked at 30, 60, 90, 120 and 150. Let's get started with dotting now. I'm going to start with placing a circular mirror in the center. Now I'll keep some golden yellow dots. Now I'll keep tiny yellow dots. In the next circle, I'm going to place some mirrors. So I'll place Fevicol first. Now I'll keep two side swipes in yellow. Now I'll keep some orange dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots in orange. I'm going to place some mirrors in the next circle. So I'll place Fevicol first. Now I'll place the mirrors. Now I'll keep tiny dots in orange. Now I'll keep some dots in coral red. Now I'll keep tiny dots in coral red. When I keep the Fevicol bottle upside down, it comes out too much. So I'm just holding it like this so that less amount of Fevicol only comes. Now I'll start placing the mirrors. Now I'll keep tiny dots in coral red. Now I'll keep some crimson dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots in crimson. Now I'll place the mirrors. I have already placed the Fevicol. Now I'll keep one side swipe in crimson. Now I'll keep some yellow dots. Now I'll keep two side swipes in orange. Now I'll keep some dots in coral red. Now I'll keep two side swipes in coral red. I'll keep some crimson dots. Now I'll work the dots in crimson. Now I'll place some Fevicol to place mirrors later. Now I'll place the mirrors. I'm sure this dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.